Maine's shrimp deveiner makes it easy to clean and devein shrimp, and remove the shells in just minutes. Made from food-safe plastic, durable and strong, notched handle allows for a secure grip, even when hands are wet. Clean shrimp and liberate every delicious bite in just seconds, great when making shrimp recipes, peel and eat shrimp, and more. Simply slip tapered end under the shell and push it along shrimp's back, pull upward to remove the shell and vein together, rinse shrimp in cold water. Set of 2, top rack dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Maine's shrimp deveiner makes it easy to clean and devein shrimp, and remove the shells in a single action. Easily clean shrimp and liberate every delicious bite in just seconds. It's a helpful addition to cooking tools for making shrimp recipes faster and easier, like peel and eat shrimp, shrimp scampi, kabobs for grilling, shrimp salad, and so much more. Easy to use. Simply slip the tapered end under the shell and push it along the shrimp's back. Pull upward to remove the shell and vein at the same time. Make sure to rinse cleaned shrimp well in cold water. For best results, thaw shrimp fully before attempting to clean it, but keep it well chilled. Made from food-safe plastic, Maine's shrimp deveiner is durable and strong with a notched handle for secure grip. Top rack dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Set of 2. Top reviews from the United States. This is the one you want. Inexpensive. Highly usable. I peel a lot of shrimp. This peeler uses a simple, smooth wedge principle that allows you to just insert at the head and keep pushing until the tool simply forces the shell to break away from the shrimp. So many others have teeth or hooks that just get in the way and resistance. Once the shell is off, simply pull the vein out and rinse under running water. They are a bit fragile, so I keep 2 on hand at all times. But they are so inexpensive, who cares? One will usually last me a year or 3.